Did you know that taking care of your health includes staying up to date with recommended vaccinations? With your Allianz policy, vaccination benefits may be included in your plan. Vaccinations are a simple yet effective way to protect against various illnesses and keep your overall health in check. Most of our outpatient plans cover the cost of certain vaccines for you, and your covered family members might already be taken care of. These may include routine immunizations or even specific vaccines for travel-related health needs. We cover COVID-19 shots if they're not free or only partly covered by your government. This includes the usual cost for the vaccine and its administration, as long as it meets all the necessary rules and guidelines. Additionally, your policy covers medically necessary travel vaccinations and malaria prevention tablets, ensuring you're prepared for any journey. Your safety and well-being are our priorities. Wherever you are, Allianz is here to support you. For more information, visit our website or contact us. Explore your benefits and make the most of your cover with Allianz.